Hey folks, after another warm afternoon across the valley, it's still a pretty warm evening. Still 88 in McAllen, 93 in Rio Grande City. Harlingen's 85 at this hour. As always, cooler when you get to the coast, about 79 degrees at this hour in Port Isabel. Brownsville is at 82. It's kind of muggy out there as well. The dew point averaging about 69 over the region right now. So that is definitely up in the muggy range, some places above that. Let's watch future track temperatures. By morning, at 7 a.m., we're still in the low to mid 70s, so still way above the seasonal average. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're back above again with readings in the 80s in most places. Cooler at the coast, but warmer in the west again. I think a lot of the valley will probably touch 90 tomorrow. Going to Wednesday, we start in the mid 70s again. And then look at the afternoon readings on Wednesday. Except Brownsville and the island, everybody 90 plus, and some places plus, if you will. 95, Rio Grande City, McAllen, and again, some places may even be warmer than that. Thursday, we start in the mid 70s again. Not quite as hot Thursday afternoon, slightly drier air, slightly lower humidity builds in. And before that gets here, there could be an isolated shower or thunder shower. 90 tomorrow, 95 on Wednesday, and then just a little cooler at 88 on Thursday. Future track keeps things quiet tonight, but the clouds show up late night and early morning, and then they burn off quickly, and we're back to breezy and warm conditions tomorrow afternoon. Wednesday, we do about the same thing. We start with some low clouds, but by afternoon, sunshine takes over. It looks like a very warm day. Temperatures on Wednesday back in the upper 90s. And then Thursday, really late Wednesday into early Thursday, a front comes through, and it's not a particularly strong front, but it does have the potential to trigger a shower or a thunderstorm, perhaps as far south as we are. Another of those days where most of the activities to our north were on the southern end of it, so a slight possibility something could sneak its way in here, but we're talking just a very slight chance. Go out and look at the bigger picture in Texas. Quieting down after a busy night last night, especially up north where there were strong thunderstorms with large hail yesterday. That has since moved out. The front itself kind of fading across North Texas, turning into a warm front and pulling away. Here comes the next one. This will trigger thunderstorms to the north again on Wednesday, and eventually Wednesday night and Thursday as it sneaks into the valley. Notice there's some green stuff right near here late Wednesday, early Thursday, and then the drier air builds in, and that small chance of rain moves out just as quickly as it comes in. So it's a pretty small chance, about 20% Wednesday night into Thursday. If you're headed to the coast in the morning, temperatures will start there at about 81 degrees. Winds a little gusty again out of the south, 20 to 25 most of the day. UV remains very high. The rip current risk is moderate. Surf temperature checks in at 74. Here are the tides. There are 3 of them. Seas are 4 to 6 feet with a moderate chop on the bay. The bay temperature at 75 degrees. Maybe a small craft advisory issued tomorrow. So tonight, mainly clear and humid. The clouds show up later on, a low around 72. Wind diminishes 5 to 15 out of the southeast. Then tomorrow, we start with clouds early, but then it turns breezy and warm. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon up around 90. That breeze out of the southeast, 15 to 25. Wednesday looks mainly dry, 95 degrees for your average high. Late Wednesday, early Thursday, that weak front comes through, could trigger a shower or thunder shower early Thursday. By afternoon, the sun should come back out. We see plenty of sunshine on Friday, likely for Saturday as well. Then another system gives us another slight chance for a shower on Sunday and slightly cooler temperatures for the early part of next week. That is your updated First 25 forecast.